Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can do color grading on CapCut PC application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC application, and for example, I'm going to do the color grading for this video. If once you color grade on CapCut PC, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the video like this. Then we have to go to the adjustment right here, guys, and we're going to use this feature, this HSL feature, to do color grading. As you can see that there are some colors we can adjust, and for example, I'm going to make it more red and more orange. So I'm gonna select the red color first, then I'm gonna increase the saturation, and I'm going to decrease the brightness. And for the orange color, I'm going to increase the saturation as well until 100. And for the brightness, I'm just going to reduce it. And for the hue, I'm going to reduce it as well. And the next one, I'm going to adjust the blue color. So I'm going to click on blue, and then I'm just going to reduce the brightness as before. Then for the saturation, I'm going to increase it just a little bit, around 60. And for the hue, I'm going to increase it until 20. Okay, and this is the result, guys, and I'm going to show you the before and after. This is after I do color grading, and this is before I do color grading. And as you can see that it looks better after I do color grading, right? Alright guys, and that's how we can do color grading on CapCut PC application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.